Hello everyone. Welcome to the sessions on the wireless communication. In this today's session, we are going to learn about the satellite fundamentals. Now, definition for the satellite. A satellite is a physical object that revolves around some celestial body. Now, types of the satellites: active satellite and passive satellites. Now, what is the active satellite? What is the difference between active and the passive satellite is? In case of the active satellite, it will receive the signal from the Earth station, filters it and amplifies the signal and retransmits it. That is the active satellite. Whereas the passive satellite, it will only act as a reflector here. It is not providing any amplification. That is the passive satellite. Now satellite orbit shape here, which are the different shape of the orbit. Equatorial orbit. In that equatorial orbit, we are having two types again: circular orbit and the elliptical orbit. That is equatorial circular orbit and the equatorial elliptical orbit. Second is the polar orbit. Again, in the polar orbit, it is the polar circular orbit and the polar elliptical orbit. Next is the inclined orbit. In inclined orbit, circular and the elliptical. That is inclined circular and the inclined elliptical here. Now, if you observe this one, this is the equatorial orbit here. If this equatorial orbit in the form of circle means it is the equatorial circular orbit. And if it is in the form of ellipse means it is the equatorial elliptical orbit here. Similarly, this is the polar orbit here. From the poles here, that is the south pole and the north pole. Now, if this polar orbit is in the circular form means that is the polar circular orbit. And if it is in the elliptical form means it is the polar elliptical orbit. Now, if you observe this particular orbit shape here, it is inclined here. It is not perfectly right angle or it is horizontal, but it is inclined here. Therefore, this is the inclined orbit. Again, in the inclined orbit, if it is the elliptical means inclined elliptical, and if it is a circular shape means it is the inclined circular orbit here. These are the different types of the orbit shapes here. Now, consider the Earth here. This is the geocenter, that is the center of the Earth. And this is the satellite orbit shape here. This is the satellite which is orbiting around the Earth. Now, this particular plane is called as the satellite orbit plane here. Now, that is, if you draw the line here from here, it will passes through the center of the Earth here. This is the orbital plane here. And this is the satellite here. This is the orbital plane where it is revolving. This is the edge view here. This is the edge view. Now, some of the definitions of this one, that is the Posigrade orbit. What is the Posigrade orbit? If the direction of the satellite's revolution is same as that of Earth's rotation, then it is called as the Posigrade. Means satellite is also revolving in the same direction as the Earth's revolution. Therefore, that is the Posigrade orbit here. Next is the retrograde orbit. That is, if the satellite's revolution is against that of the Earth rotation, it is rotating opposite to the Earth rotation, then that is called as the retrograde orbit here. Next, suppose this is the Earth, this is the geocenter here, and this is the satellite, this is the orbit here. This is the orbit. Now, above the Earth here, height above the Earth, this is the 6336 kilometer here. Correct? This is the 6336 kilometer here. This is the distance from the Earth center to the satellite here. Now again, continuing with the definitions, apogee. What is the apogee? The highest distance between the center of the Earth and the satellite is called as the apogee. If the satellite is rotating, what is the highest distance between the satellite and the Earth here? That is the apogee. Next is the perigee. What is the perigee? The lowest distance between the center of the Earth and the satellite. It is called as the perigee. Next is the sidereal period. What is the sidereal period? The time taken by the satellite to complete one orbit, that is to revolve one complete orbit, that is called as the sidereal period. That is to complete one rotation here, full rotation. What is the time taken by the satellite? That is called as the sidereal period here. Now, the what is the angle of inclination here? Now, this is the Earth here. Right? This is the Earth. Now, the satellite is revolving. This is the orbit of the satellite. This is the satellite orbit here. Now, this is the smallest distance is called as the perigee. The distance between the satellite and the Earth, which is the shortest distance, that is called as the perigee. This is the position of the satellite where the perigee, smallest distance is occurring. Now, if you consider this is the plane of the satellite orbit here. This one is the plane of the satellite orbit here. And here this one equatorial plane here. This is the equatorial plane. Now the angle between these two planes, it is called as the angle of inclination. Angle between these two planes, it is called as the angle of inclination here.